This is a used 2014 Hyundai Sonata. It's powered by front-wheel drive engine and an automatic transmission. With fewer than 15,000 miles, this vehicle has a long road ahead. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. The features include electric trunk, Bluetooth connectivity, steering wheel controls, auto-dimming mirrors, cruise control, air conditioning, power mirrors, power steering. Safety was made a priority with these features: curtain head airbags, side airbags, brake assist, a passenger airbag, low tire pressure warning, front ventilated disc brakes, daytime running lights, anti-lock brakes, child safety locks. Rest easy knowing this vehicle comes with a Carfax Vehicle History Report from Carfax, the most trusted provider of vehicle history information.